Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of choosing who can see posts you've been tagged in on Facebook. It's essential to have control over your online presence, and this full guide will show you how. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your device. Step 2. In the top right corner, tap on the 3 lines to access the menu. Step 3. Scroll down and tap on Settings. Step 4. Continue scrolling down to find Settings and Privacy. Step 5. Under Settings and Privacy, locate and tap on Privacy Shortcuts. Step 6. Scroll down to Audience and Visibility and tap on Profile and Tagging. Step 7. Look for the option, who can see posts you're tagged in on your profile, and tap on it. Step 8. Now, you can select the audience of people, such as friends, that you'd like to be able to see the posts you've been tagged in. By following these simple steps, you can take control over who sees the posts you've been tagged in on Facebook. It allows you to manage your privacy and ensure that your tagged posts are visible only to the audience you choose. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to choose who can see posts you've been tagged in on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.